today to get my pedicure done and to get my nails done finally. So yeah, I will be taking you all with me. I kind of want to wear some mascara, but I don't know which one I want to wear. Pearl is really good. It has that nice clean fig smell to it. Amber Fever is pretty good. A Jardine exclusive. And as far as that cleanness, I have Pink Precision back there, and it's like a grapefruit citrus smell with oud. But I don't know if I want to wear that one. Let's see what's down here. Don't want to wear anything down there. Don't want to wear nothing over here. Andromeda. It smells nice and clean. Spirito Florentine has that Baccarat Rouge 540 vibe, but I don't think I want to wear that either. Maybe Creed Silver Mountain Water. This is really clean. And a hint of sweetness, like almost like Irish Spring soap. And this Diptyque Dew Sun is really good as well. Oh, I haven't worn this in a while. This is La Nuit by Lancome, and it smells so good. I'm in a car, so I am going to pick up my sisters. We have to go to a couple of furniture stores. I'm gonna get my pedicure, as I said before, and my nails done. It's like, girl, get it done.
I can't believe I believed everything we had was less. So young and naive of me to think she was from your past. Silly of me to dream of one day having your kiss. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong. I can't believe I fell for your schemes. I'm smarter than that. Dumb and naive to believe that with me you're a changed man. Foolish of me to compete when you cheat, when who's winning. It took me some time, but now I moved on, because I realize I've got myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Be myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Controlling, and you say that you love me, but you don't. Your family told me one day I would see it on my own. Next thing I know, I'm dealing with your 3 kids in my own. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong. Now that it's over, stop calling me, come pick up your clothes. Ain't no need to front like you're still with me. All your homies know, even your very best friend tried to warn me on the low. Took me some time, but now I am strong, because I realize I got myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Be myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Got me, myself, and I know that I will never be like myself. All the ladies, if you feel me, help me sing it out. I'm sick with you.
Proceed with caution. Right lane blocked ahead.
Shit. T.
Terminal. One more time.
I go.
Oh, damn. Ooh, girl, play the 14 and take the 6.